Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the world you're in. This is Chris again, the Watch Sound's coming in with another unboxing. Today's double unboxing is a complete polar opposite of each other, I guess you could say, as far as watches go, guys. But the cool thing about having this channel is I get to see all kind of different watches and show you guys all kind of different watches at the same time. And a lot of times it's my first time seeing them. Now, of course, you do my as you know, I do my unboxings a little bit different, guys. I kind of try to take a sneak peek, see what they look like, and then I do my show them to you guys pretty much almost at the same time. Now, one of them I have had in person for a little while, guys. I've had this G-Shock computer in for a minute. Quick wristwatch check, by the way, since I am unboxing a G-Shock, wearing my favorite G-Shock at the moment. Of course, or my favorite G-Shock of all time, the all-metal, full metal Casio G-Shock. But again, one of the perks of having a channel is getting to check out all kind of different, a multitude of variation of different watches, guys. And like I said, this is a G-Shock, and the next one is the Oris Okavango. I think I'm pronouncing that right, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong down there in the comments, as I know you will, guys. That's one of the fun perks about having the channel is I get to see all kind of different watches that I otherwise would never be able to hold or handle in person, guys. And thanks again to Peter C, who also sent in the Timex. If you had watched my recent video review of the Timex Sector Dial, guys, that's another cool watch and definitely a budget watch. Really cool piece for the price for the $140 from Timex, guys. Timex is doing great things. But this is about the Casio, the G-Shock. This is the GM200. Sorry, guys, I'm just looking at the reference number here. The GM2100-1A. This is one of the new metal pieces. Now, this is not full metal. They have the straps as well. This is one that had kind of gotten past my radar, so to speak, I guess you could say. I usually am up to date on a lot of stuff, but this is one that recently came out, and I really haven't gotten a chance to really look too much into it. But from what I've worn it for the past couple days now since I've had it in. Just been waiting to do the unboxing since I got the Oris in. And again, I got the Oris in from Rich over at Saltzman's, guys. As you know, Saltzman's is an Oris authorized dealer, and this Okavango is a really cool green dial, as you'll see here in the desktop photos, guys. But again, just both really polar opposite pieces, but just like I said, really cool to get to check out like all kind of different price ranges of watches and show you guys all kind of different watches. That's what this channel is about, because I just love showing all kind of different price ranges, guys, because you can collect entry level all the way up to entry level luxury, guys, or you can collect all the way up to the higher end stuff. So basically, I like to show a little bit of everything. And let me know down in the comments what you guys would like to see down in the future videos, future reviews, and let me know basically what you guys would like to see. Anyways, guys, enough of me rambling on, and I will show you guys the watches in question. Now, of course, here are the said watches. Like I said, as you guys know, I like to do my unboxings a little bit different, guys, to cut through all the red tape, so to speak. Now, here is the packaging that the Oris came in, guys. It came with, of course, warranty card. It's not signed or anything like that because obviously nobody's bought this one yet, excuse me. And again, this has come from Rich over at Saltzman's, guys. And it comes in an interesting travel pouch here. Overall, nice quality, nice presentation. Here is the outer box that it comes in. Something a little bit different than you might usually see from Oris. And then there you can see the Okavango Air Rescue Edition. I did take off the plastic off the case, guys. And then you can see the manual, which, I mean, nobody really cares too much about the manual, guys. But overall, pretty cool presentation for what you get. And this one does retail for about $2,500. You may be able to get a discount. Let Rich know I sent you guys. He may be able to get you a discount in. Now, as far as the G-Shock, again, the model number is, you see here, the GM2100-1A. This is a watch that Peter C owns. Like I said, he's I'll leave a link to his Instagram down here below. He has sent him plenty of different watches, guys, and he basically asked me to review this, and I appreciate it, Peter. And if it weren't for subscribers like him or people like Grace, I wouldn't have this channel, guys. And again, if you guys want to sit down and watch this, hit my email, and my email is in my About Me page. But onto the box for the G-Shock. Nothing too crazy here, guys. Since 1983. Basic G-Shock 10, so you're not getting too crazy. You guys know what the G-Shocks come with, or how they come. But basically, I'll show you guys the G-Shock first. Now, this one I've been wearing a little bit, guys. And I really kind of dig the silver, or the kind of almost chrome kind of look. Of course, this is kind of the Cassie Oak as it's known. And I do really dig this kind of chromatic look with the gray. It's almost like a matte kind of gray dowel, like first impressions. It's obviously not first impressions for me, but first impressions, like, since I've been wearing it, it's just a really fun dowel, just kind of unique, something kind of cool, guys. You don't see it every day with G-Shock. Look for a full review of this guy coming up, and he is selling this, guys. So I will leave you guys a link down below to, like I said, to his actual Instagram page, where you can DM him, excuse me, if you are interested in this watch, guys. And again, this is definitely a pretty cool piece from what I've seen so far, and what I've worn it, where it's really comfortable. Is cool. If you guys know the Casio, that's basically the same dimensions, same module, I believe, that comes in that G-Shock. The only negative I've seen so far on this is that gray, with the gray hands, the way they did the gray hands, it kind of blends in a little too much. It makes it a little bit hard to see. But that's just me personally. Maybe I would do like an orange hour and minute hand, something like that, something to kind of offset on the dial. But that's my only little nitpicky thing about this. Other than that, with the black band and the actual way the chrome sets off, I feel like this is a pretty cool piece, guys. But anyways, guys, look for a full review of this guy coming up pretty soon. And on to the Oris here. First impressions on the Oris. Again, this was sent in by Rich over at Saltzman's. I'm not getting paid by them or anything like that, guys. They were just kind enough to send in pieces for review for the channel to check out, guys. And again, a lot of times these are also pieces that I check out for the first time. You guys get to see for the first time with me. Now, this is an Okavango Air Rescue. I believe this is based off of one of their Pro Pilot watches, I believe. Or their Big Crown pieces, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong down there in the comments, guys. But that green dowel, I do really dig that green dowel. He like I said, he sent this in. I saw they were coming out, and I really wanted to check one out. So he was kind enough to send one in. Overall, first impressions on this guy is really cool. And this band that comes with the strap, this actually kind of reminds me of almost like an Erica's original, something kind of along those lines. It's kind of an elastic strap, and it's really comfortable to wear. The hardware on here is top notch, as you would expect from Oris. This does retail for about $2,500, guys. But again, you may be able to get a discount. I'm not sure if you'll get a discount on this one, since it is a limited edition. I'll have to look more and do more research on this one, as it is a limited edition. Again, look for a full review of this guy coming up soon. I am starting to get kind of my queue backed up here, as I mentioned before in my videos, so I'm doing these double unboxings. And look for another unboxing here, possibly later today or in the next day, guys, because I do have another piece coming in. But again, let me know what you guys think about these two watches, about this double unboxing here. Like I said, I just like to show all kind of different pieces, different price ranges, guys. Like I said, $200 all the way up to $2,500 as far as what you pay for these retail. But again, and like I said, just let me know what you guys want to see in the channel for future videos, for future reviews. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.